Welcome back, everybody. You know, it worked out really well, didn't it? That we had the nice weather on Saturday and Sunday, and now that most of us go back to work or back to school and so on, then it gets cold. And boy, what a difference there is. The high yesterday was 58 degrees, and the 24 hours now that have passed since that time, we've dropped a full 25 degrees. So the difference between yesterday and today is at least 25 degrees in Vincennes. It's 26. Robinson, 24 degrees. And so pretty big difference. Well, that's what happens when a cold front goes through. And as the atmosphere tries to balance itself out, we then have this windy condition that continues at least through the evening hours. So it's going to be breezy tonight. Not real windy, but it'll be breezy. Certainly cold enough if you're going to be going outside. The clouds will remain. It's clearing a little bit up here in the northern part of Illinois, but it's going to be a while before the sky actually clears for us. 29 degrees right now, Paris 29, Rockville 26, Linton 29, and Bloomington 28 degrees. Effingham has 29 and Olney 30. The high today was 36 degrees, but that happened before the sun even came up, and so the temperature has been dropping ever since. And the wind, you know, Patrice mentioned the wind too. Look at this. Wind from the north at 14 miles an hour, Paris 13, Vincennes 15, Robinson 14. So it's pretty breezy out there, and with the current temperature of 29 here in Terre Haute and a wind speed of 14, that puts our wind chill factor at 18. It's 20 in Rockville, 18 in Paris, 17 in Mattoon, Olney 21. As we get further into the nighttime, the wind chill factor will drop even more. So it's going to be a cold night if you're out. Now let's take a look at the Storm Team 10 Futurecast. I'll pick it up at 1 o'clock in the morning. That's early tomorrow morning, 1 a.m. And we go through the time lapse here, and you can see how the sky clears. And so we get into tomorrow, and it will clear off, and we will have some sunshine tomorrow, and that's going to help us warm things up to about average for this time of year, a little below average. Average high is around 41 degrees, but we'll get up to 38 for the daytime high tomorrow. But then by Wednesday, more clouds come in, but it will be warmer on Wednesday. But the clouds are ahead of a really strong cold front that is going to make a big difference, even a bigger difference probably than what we have outside right now. So forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy, breezy, colder, 21 for the overnight low, but a north wind to 15. So the wind chill will be well below that. Becoming sunny and warmer tomorrow, high of 38 degrees. Tomorrow night, not as cold, partly cloudy as the wind shifts to the southeast ahead of this cold front coming in. So on Wednesday, 45 degrees. That's just slightly above average for this time of year. But then all of a sudden, that cold air slams into us so that on Thursday, we have a high of 21. And this coming weekend is not going to be as pleasant as this past weekend, I'm afraid to say. Saturday, 22, and Sunday 25. Those are the daytime highs.
Very cold.
Yeah, all right.